Just picture ChatGPT as a cash-generating machine. By understanding its strategy, you could make an effortless $3,000 to $4,000 every month. I've personally experimented with it for just 15 to 20 days and have already earned a significant amount. I'm willing to update it for those who still have doubts. The best part is that you don't have to invest a single penny in this strategy. So, feel free to watch until the end. To begin, step 1 is to create a website. You can effortlessly build a blog website from the comfort of your own home without any investment. You can use Blogger to make a free website with just a few clicks. Since everything here will be copy-paste work, we'll start by looking for Blogger. You don't even need a computer to do this. You can do it on your smartphone. I am displaying this on the computer screen for your convenience. Using a computer is not mandatory. To begin, search for Blogger and access Google's page. Click on the Create Your Blog option, which will direct you to an account. Once you log into your account, select Not Now when prompted. This will lead you to a page that looks like the one displayed here. This page requires you to name your blog or website, which means you have to enter the desired name in the designated field. I can quickly enter anything you want in this field. Once that's done, click on Next. The following step involves entering your username, which will serve as your website's name. I can do that for you, after which you will need to click on Next again. Finally, you will have to provide a name for display purposes. All set. I will enter the relevant information on your behalf, and all that remains is to click on Finish. Your website is now ready, with some customization being the only remaining task. Click on the blog to see the final outcome. Do let me know if you have any questions on how to create your website. If you're having trouble seeing your website's name, don't worry. It's possible to customize it using copy-paste. First, navigate to the theme section of your website builder and select a template that you like from Google. Once you've found the template that suits your needs, simply copy and paste your website's name into the appropriate field. After applying the template, you should be able to see your customized website with your desired name. If you haven't posted anything yet, there won't be any content to display on your website. To add posts and logos, you'll need to go to the settings and input the relevant information. Writing a post is easy with the help of ChatGPT. Simply select a category that's relevant to your post and start writing. By writing about topics that are in demand, you can attract more traffic to your website. If you want to drive even more traffic to your website, you can use Google Trend to see what people are searching for in real time. By writing content that's relevant to the trending topics, you can quickly rank on search engines and attract more visitors to your site. The terms and conditions will be provided to the audience, and their website will be ranked quickly. If they have any other suggestions or tips, they can write them down. For instance, at ChatGPT, we use our AI to create an article. You need to determine the topic you want to write about. Afterward, we will compose the article in the appropriate manner. To begin writing, you only need to express your ideas. For instance, if you want to write about a specific topic, simply state it. ChatGPT will conduct the research and write the content for you. Once finished, you can copy and paste the article to your blog post. The process is effortless. As I write, let me offer some helpful tips to make things a bit easier for you. This blog post will be approximately 400 to 700 words. It's important to keep in mind that writing too much may not lead to a higher ranking, so we'll aim for at least 700 to 800 words. To check the word count, I'll direct you to a website. Once we have the count, we can determine the appropriate title for the post. We can simply copy and paste the introduction and count the number of words to ensure we're on track. In this case, we have 434 words, so we'll need to add more content. If needed, we can add additional information to the post. And as we have written here, the topmost visiting places in the world, we will write more according to that count and do it. We just have to do as many words as possible here so that our blog post is substantial. Now, in Google, what I am telling you is the fact that the more words your blog post has, the better it runs. So make it as big as possible. If it goes up to 700 or 800, you can do it. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, please consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be notified whenever we upload new content, and you'll be able to stay up to date on all of our latest videos.